What's up, Glam Squad? It's Glamorous TT, and I'm back again with the next video. Today I'm going to be doing this Christmas look. Hope you guys like, subscribe, stay tuned. The first color I'm going to be using is my blue. I started off with a light blue into the dark blue. So if you see me going back and forth, I'm tapping my eyeshadow on my brush. But yeah, before I even blend out anything, I usually pat on my eyeshadow just to get the full color. And plus, I don't like to have fallback, especially when I put on my foundation and my concealer on my whole face before I do my eyes. So to avoid that, I just pat on before I start to blend. And this whole process here, I'm going to be blending the blue into darker blues. And also, you guys, if you don't know, I'm going to be doing a full cut crease, and as you can see, with each layer of blue, I go lower and lower. Even though I am doing a full cut crease, I just like to give it that gradient look, so that's why I go lower and lower each time I add a new color. And as I move on to each lower color, as I move on to the darker color, I always want to go back in with that light color to make it pop, because sometimes when you do all of that blending, you kind of lose the lighter shade in the process of blending, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully. But oh my gosh, I was rambling so much that I'm already to the cut crease. So with this cut crease, everybody does it different ways. I just basically do my cut crease a little bit bigger because I have small eyes and I want them to pop. So with this, I'm just following what I wish my eyes really look like. I'm just going to be doing that full cut crease. So once that is done, I'm going to be moving on to the next side. And as you can see, I sped up this portion of the video because, I kind of wanted the first part to be an in-depth video. I did it regular speed. But this time, I'm going to be doing a little bit faster. Hope you guys like the fact that I'm doing that. Right now, I'm just testing out different options on how I could do my videos. And I would love it for you guys to comment down below and tell me which one you think is best. When I'm done with the cut crease, I like to go back and just, make that color pop again. Moving on to my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using Box of Crayon in silver and white, and just packing that on my eyelid. Going in with some concealer, I'm just going to clean up that edge right there. Like I said before, I do have on full face makeup, so I don't want to go ahead and mess that up. And I'm going to just blend that up with my beauty blender. Yeah. Oh, okay. Right here, I'm going to be taking my eyelash glue and pretty much putting glitter on the how should I say it? I'm pretty much going to be applying glitter on the harsh line of the cut crease. Hopefully that makes sense. But I'm going to be pretty much putting glitter all over it. And yeah, after that is straight to my eyeliner. The eyeliner that I was using is the e.l.f. gel eyeliner. And you guys, my hands are pretty shaky. And if you have shaky hands, I recommend you just hold your eye and just, it'll just be easier to apply it on, because with that eyeliner is very thick, so you don't want to make any mistakes, because oh my gosh, it's so hard to take off. So just be mindful and be careful. Take your time. And with this look, I'm going to be doing a wing eyeliner. With this look, you don't have to do it, but I just feel like it enhances the cut crease look that I'm going for. On to the fun part, we're gonna create snowflakes. So for this look, I was thinking in my head, okay, we could do snowflakes, we could do a snowman, we could do snow, but then I didn't have enough room, so I just went with the snowflakes. And with this, I used my NYX white eyeliner, and I'm not gonna lie, if I could, I wouldn't use it, because I don't know, out of all of the colors, the white one is just the most hardest color to work with. I mean, it kind of, the consistency turns thick after a while. But I'm just basically making a snowflake. Along with the snowflakes, I wanted to do some snow, because I'm only going to be doing 3 snowflakes, so I wanted to cover the whole eye. But as I thought of it, it would have been too much snowflakes, and to me it would have just made the look too much. So I just added some snow to just, make it look prettier, make it look full, but not too over the top. Oh, and if you ladies are ever wondering where to get looks, always go on Instagram. I found this look on Instagram and I was in love with it. I love Christmas. Christmas is one of the most favorite holidays, and I just wanted to do something that I could represent. I just love Christmas. I don't know. I love the scent of Christmas. I love the spirit of Christmas, and now I can express that in my makeup. Once I was done with that, I moved on to my eyelashes. With these eyelashes, oh my gosh, I don't really go for the dramatic look, but these were bomb. Like, I'm gonna start to wear these a lot more. I was kind of intimidated by how long they were, but it doesn't hurt to try new things, especially when it comes to makeup. You never know if you're gonna like it or not. So after applying the snowflakes on that eye, I went back in and added blue over my black eyeliner because I wanted something like to give it that extra pop. After applying my lashes, I then go to my bottom lash line and add some blue. So after that, I'll be applying some mascara to the top lashes, and I use some white primer for the bottom. If you do have white mascara, you can use that also. For my lips, I'm going to be outlining my lips with a brown eyeshadow. You can always use an eyeshadow if you don't want to use any lip pencils or eye pencils. And I'm going to be overlaying that with maroon lipstick. And just to add more color, I put concealer in the middle and I just blended it out with the brush to give it that ombre effect. Once done with that, I applied my gloss. Right here, I'm gonna just be brushing off any excess makeup that could just be left there. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you later.